Get yourself things.
Come on, the first one.
Viewers and subscribers, how you guys doing? Hope you guys doing good. Yeah man. So viewers and subscribers, robbers attempt for robbing and bring struck people over Portmore. You hear that viewers? Over Portmore again. But this time, viewers and subscribers, the security guard them alert. Shoot out people. Yeah man, shoot out. We want security guard on the ground. Shot people. The people around assist the security guard by putting him into a pickup truck, rush him to the hospital. This man say people. People want to know this. The brings truck all leave the scene, leave the security guard laying on the ground. Shot. This man say people. So my viewers and subscribers want to watch the clippings here. This man say with the shooting over Portmore. People, please subscribe and like and share people. Up like heaven.
Why next one then? Why next one?
Yeah, them super.
What a horn! Huh? Yo! Yeah, my friend,
What's it? It's in our walk up on lane. So what did they answer?